Have you ever wanted to add your Iriun webcam in vMix and it shows this particular green screen or it shows this particular black screen? This is how you fix it. If you download your Iriun webcam from the official website, that is iriun.com, and you download for Windows, that is version 2.8.10, like you see here. If you download it for it, at times it works for you, at times it doesn't. Don't blame them.
I've been using Iriun Webcam for like over 4-5 years now, and it has never given me this kind of error before. But recently, this last Tuesday, I was trying to stream for my church, the Bible study, and it just started all of a sudden giving me this green screen. I couldn't see what I did. I tried resetting it, but that didn't solve it. So I tried this method out, which I said, okay, I'm going to share it with everyone because a lot of people have been telling me they have this particular error, and I really want to help them. So you just go to download lower version of Iriun Webcam. Download the lower version of Iriun Webcam. So this is older version of Iriun Webcam. What I will advise for you is that I think the recent versions these days have kind of glitches and all. So just download a previous version. I downloaded, I think it was version 2.7.8. Yes, this is one I downloaded. Then I just go to yes, download, no requirements or any, stuff like that. When it loads, you click on the download and it automatically downloads right straight up to it. This is over here. So once I download it, you install. Okay, let's see. Once you download it, you install directly, no need for any other thing. Then in your number of cameras here, remember to always put it at number 4. By default, it will be in number 1. So put it in number 4, accept the terms and condition, go to next. Okay, because I've had Iriun Webcam before, so just like merge it together, press OK. At times it asks you if you want to download .NET Frame-ish and stuff like that. Make sure you download it. So once installed, you can start your Iriun Webcam and it's going to actually connect right now. So I'm connected to my particular Wi-Fi and I'm connected to this. So we should see it over here. Yes, so this is me over here using this particular camera, different from this particular camera. So if you go to your vMix now and this is your Iriun Webcam, let's close it because you cannot use the same particular Iriun Webcam inputs for different versions. So we have to close this particular version and re-add it. Yes, we get go re-add it, camera, Iriun Webcam 1 of the audio, then yes, and you should see it over here working pretty much good. And that is how you fix the green screen in Iriun Webcam. So if you have any questions, if you have any further questions, if you want me to do any video for you of any error, please drop it in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't let me please keep begging before you like, share, and subscribe. So please like, share, subscribe. And also you can join my membership offer. You have a lot of things, a lot of benefits, and it's just a way of supporting me also. 1,000 naira, 3,000 and 8,000 naira. It's a way of supporting me. So please and please, you also have different perks to it. If you check it, you'll see the perks of you have access to my WhatsApp channel, you have access to my WhatsApp group chat, you have access to Google Drive videos that are saved there because not all videos I do YouTube permits me to post. So I put it there just for exclusive only. So please and please join, also subscribe, turn on your notification bell in case I post a new video, you instantly get notified. Thank you very much. My name again, Joseph Olasukomi, and this is Extensivo signing out.